Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make French onion soup. First, let's master the onions. Begin by thinly slicing about 3 to 4 pounds of yellow onions. The key to incredible flavor is slow caramelization. Cook them over low heat for 45 to 60 minutes, stirring occasionally until they achieve a rich, deep brown color. A small pinch of baking soda can help accelerate this process, ensuring a beautiful, sweet foundation for your soup. Once your onions are perfectly caramelized, it's time to build the broth. Deglaze the pot with about 1/2 cup of dry sherry or a good quality dry white wine, scraping up all those flavorful bits from the bottom. Then, pour in 6 cups of robust beef stock. Allow this mixture to simmer gently for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step ensures all the flavors marry beautifully, creating a deeply satisfying and aromatic base for your soup. Now, let's prepare the essential toppings. Slice a fresh baguette into 1-inch thick pieces and toast them until they are golden brown and slightly crisp. This prevents them from becoming soggy in the soup. Next, grate about 8 ounces of high-quality Gruyere cheese. This cheese melts beautifully and provides that iconic, gooey topping. Ladle your hot soup into oven-safe bowls, then arrange the toasted bread slices directly on top. For the grand finale, generously cover the bread in each bowl with your grated Gruyere cheese. Ensure a thick, even layer for maximum deliciousness. Place the bowls on a baking sheet and bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Finish by broiling for 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese is beautifully bubbly, golden brown, and irresistible. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.